This is another Wingit snapshot video from the American Printing House for the Blind, where the future belongs to everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about using pencil, brush, and lines with Wingit. So, in the Wingit application, I'm going to the tool menu here at the bottom, and I'm selecting pencil. And pencil is usually selected by default anyway, but I'm just bringing it up. And pencil is just this, it really is like a pencil stroke on the canvas. And I'm able to sign my name in cursive, Jason Martin. And it's just a very free form. I can draw anywhere I need to using the pencil. And so this next design I'm going to show you is just really a squiggly grid pattern, nothing crazy, but I want you to pay attention to the thickness of the lines. So again, with pencil, I can just draw ad nauseum, and I'm just drawing kind of a fence. It looks like a wire fence. And so it's very thin. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to my next tool, which is brush. And so brush is, if you've used any paint programs before, any digital paint programs, this pencil-like stroke, it appears pencil at first, but it gets really thick and it's very discernible in terms of the tactile feel to it. So kind of the same pattern here, but the brush is just used for thick lines. So I'm drawing a circle with my brush to show you just kind of how I would use this with a student. Like I'd use the brush as a thick outer barrier and then use the pencil as this fine detailed kind of like drawing tool. So in this, I'm giving a very, very rough interpretation of some cellular bodies or something of that nature, and just quickly sketching out what I think these things look like, or it's just a quick representation of the pencil versus the brush. But so with our lines that we're looking at, so we've got this thin pencil, a thicker brush, but there's also the line tool here. And I love this tool because it anchors one line to a point, and then you can move your finger around and kind of adjust the line as you need to. So it's really good for making triangles that are a bit unusual. Here I'm going to make a really tight triangle and angle it very interestingly with a long line. So it's just a fabulous tool for anchoring lines. There's a vertical line tool that works for up and down, and it doesn't allow your finger to move basically left and right to draw horizontally. So as I'm drawing with this, my finger actually can't go any other direction but up and down. So it's really good for drawing straight lines, and horizontal line is very much the same thing. Just a quick look at pencils, brushstrokes, and lines with Wingit. This has been a Wingit snapshot video from your friends at the American Printing House for the Blind and Humanware.